Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about GT cars of the year, the new Ferrari Amalfi. This isn't just another Ferrari, it's the latest expression of Ferrari's iconic front-engine grand touring philosophy, blending performance, luxury, and a fresh design language that's turning heads everywhere. Let's start with where this car fits in Ferrari's lineup. The Amalfi replaces the outgoing Ferrari Roma as the brand's new entry-level Grand Tourer, but don't let the word entry-level fool you, this is still full-blooded Ferrari performance and style. Under the long, sculpted hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, part of Ferrari's famed F154 engine family, now tuned to deliver around 640 horsepower and 760 Nm of torque. Ferrari claims a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed north of 320 km/h. That's blisteringly fast for a GT coupe that's also meant to be comfortable on long journeys. The engine improvement is more than just a numbers game. With lighter camshafts, a redesigned block, and advanced turbo control, Ferrari has sharpened throttle response and added power at every rev range. Plus, the Amalfi still uses an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for rapid shifts and a connected driving feel. But the Amalfi isn't just about straight-line speed. Ferrari's engineers worked hard on the car's dynamics, including a brake-by-wire system, ABS Evo, and adaptive aerodynamics with an active rear wing that changes position based on speed and driving mode. These systems help balance downforce and drag, making the Amalfi surprisingly agile and confident on both twisty roads and highways. On the outside, Ferrari's design team adopted a minimalist and pure aesthetic. The body lines are smooth and elegant, prioritizing a speedform shape that looks sculpted rather than aggressive. The front end sheds overly busy details for a sleeker face, while the rear integrates that active spoiler seamlessly into the silhouette. Some fans have debated the styling online, but there's no doubt that it represents a modern Ferrari identity. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances luxury with driving focus. Ferrari kept the layout driver-centric, with a 15.6-inch digital instrument cluster, a lower-mounted 10.25-inch central touchscreen, and even an 8-inch passenger display, the kind of setup that makes both tech enthusiasts and gearheads happy. Physical controls have returned to the steering wheel, including the traditional red engine start button, a direct nod to Ferrari's heritage after customer feedback. The interior materials are premium, rich leather, carbon fiber accents, and meticulous stitching make the cockpit a place you want to spend time in. And while rear seats are technically there thanks to the 2+2 layout, most owners will use that space for extra luggage or occasional passengers, keeping the Amalfi practical for weekend getaways as well as track days. Technology and comfort weren't sacrificed either. The Amalfi comes with modern connectivity including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and a suite of driver assistance systems geared more toward convenience than safety nannying. Ferrari even offers an optional front lifter system that raises the nose by up to 40 mm to clear speed bumps, very helpful in city driving. So how does this car feel on the road? Early drives from automotive journalists highlight that the Amalfi doesn't just perform like a Ferrari, it feels like one. The steering feedback is quick and communicative, body control is firm but compliant, and you get that satisfying combination of GT comfort with sharp responses when you ask for them. Of course, a Ferrari isn't complete without emotion. Even with modern emission regulation softening exhaust tones, the Amalfi still delivers that iconic V8 soundtrack, thrilling enough to make you smile every time you push the throttle. And because Ferrari built this as a true Grand Tourer, comfort isn't ignored in pursuit of ultimate speed. Let's talk value. The starting price for the Amalfi in major markets sits around €240,000 to $280,000, which, when you consider the performance, technology, and exclusivity, puts it in interesting territory. It's not cheap by any stretch, but compared to more hardcore supercars, the Amalfi offers a unique combination of everyday usability and Ferrari passion. As Ferrari's lineup evolves and the brand heads toward electrification in the coming years, the Amalfi represents a high point of the internal combustion era, a car that honors tradition while pushing forward with fresh ideas and contemporary flair. So there you have it, a detailed look at the new Ferrari Amalfi. It's a GT for the modern age, powerful, beautiful, luxurious, and still unmistakably Ferrari. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you Team Classic V8 GT or Team Future Tech EV? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews. Thanks for watching.